Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video also I want to explain some another model on heights and distance trigonometry problem. Now see this problem. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevations of the top of the poles are 60 degrees, 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and distances of the point from the poles. That is the question. First we should understand the problem and draw the picture. Okay. First, as usual, first draw the diagram. First you draw baseline, because for this two like this. So AB is road. Wide is how much he gave? Wide road 120 feet. 120 feet FT. This is the wide of the road. Now CD. That means AC is one pole on one side of the road, exactly opposite to that. BD is another pole of the same height he gave. So that's why this H means this is also H. Next, from a point between them, in between any one point, not exactly middle, somewhere, suppose here one point, the angles of elevation of the top are top of the poles are this pole and this pole from the same point only observed. See, from here only turning this side and he observed this angle, and turning this side and observed this angle with 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Better it is long distance seeing now. That's why if distance long means this only you take it 30, this short 60 you take. Why? Because for approximation, when you are long distance the angle should be less. Near this, for this near distance, so this should be 60. For this also you can take, this is not exact figure, but for proportionate also we should clearly mention. So that's why. Okay, now suppose this point you another variable you take E. Now let this X, then this becomes already total is 120 minus X. Suppose if A is equal to X, then EB becomes total is 120, AB is X, this becomes 120 minus X. Okay, you mention like this. Then what he is asking, find the height of the poles, H value, and poles, height of the poles, distances of the point from the poles. From here, the distance, this point, distance from this pole, how much distance is there for this point? From this pole, how much distance is there? That means X value, 120 minus X value, we should calculate. That means AE value, EB value, we should calculate, and H also. Okay. Now, here I will write this data. Now, for this, what? AC, comma, BD. AC, comma, BD, poles with heights, heights how much? H. Heights is equal to H. Okay. Now, E is the observing point. Observing point. E is the observing point. AB is equal to road wide, that is equal to 120 feet. AB value is 120 feet. Let AE is equal to X, then EB is equal to automatically 120 minus X. AE, we should take it X means this is 120 minus X. EB, height finished. Now angles of angle of elevation, this right, AEC, angle of elevation is AEC is equal to 60 degrees, angle of elevation BED is equal to 30 degrees, you write. This is the data from this triangles to take. This is one right angle triangle, this is one triangle. First I am taking this right angle triangle ACE. From triangle ACE, in this A is right angle, so angle A is equal to 90 degrees from this. Now apply tan which angle? 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan is opposite side by adjacent side. So you see, for this opposite side is AC by adjacent side is AE. AC value is H, AE value is X. Therefore, H by X is equal to tan 60 degrees. That implies H by X is equal to tan 60 is root 3 by 1. By cross multiplication, H is equal to H into 1 is equal to H is equal to X root 3. This you take it as equation 1. Now, another triangle you take. From another triangle is EDB. In this angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Here for this is 90 degrees. That's why we can take tan 30. Tan 30 means what? Opposite side by adjacent side. That is for 30 degrees BD or DB. Okay. By the adjacent side is EB. BD is H by is 120 by 120 minus X. EB is 120 minus X. From this H by 120 minus X is equal to tan 30 degrees. H by 120 minus X is equal to tan 30 is 1 by root 3. By cross multiplication, root 3 H is equal to 120 minus X. This is equation 2. We got two equations. Here directly H value got. So substitute the value of H from equation 1 we got value of H. Substitute this value of H from 1 in equation 2. So equation 2 is what? Root 3H is equal to 120 minus X is there. In this equation, from 1 H value is what? Root 3X. Substitute instead of H, X root 3. Root 3X or X root 3, right? This is already root 3. This is also root 3X is equal to, here 120 minus X. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3X is equal to 120 minus X. Implies 3X, this come to this side, X is equal to 120. So that is 4X, X plus 3X is 4X. 3X plus X is 4X is equal to 120. Implies X is equal to 120 by into coming this side means divided by 3 times 30. X is equal to 30 feet. This is feet, no? Feet you write. X value we got. Later statements we will write. Another one H we want to calculate. So now another one X 20 minus X. That means EB. This you write. Okay, last that only. We will write statements last. H you want height. So in this you substitute. H is equal to directly X root 3. That is equal to X is 30 into root 3. That is only H. 30 into 1.732. 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s 9. 3 7s 21 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. Here 3 points 1 2 3 points. This cancel. 0 is cancelled. Point after 51.96 feet. 51.96 feet. What? H. So you can write heights of each pole. H is equal to 51.96 feet you write. Next one what? See, point E, observing point E from pole A. Point E from pole A is X. That is equal to directly X value 30 feet. So like that, point E from pole B, from this pole how much distance this one from B, from pole B, that is we know 120 minus x, that is 120 minus x, that is 120 minus this 30, that is 90 feet. You see, this is 30 feet, this is 90 feet, 30 plus 90 total 120. Okay, like this we can calculate the problems. Okay, for everyone, up to this videos totally for trigonometry chapter, first I started trigonometry only. So preparing videos, first I started 10th level trigonometry. In this trigonometry chapter I prepared 40 videos. One by one lightly I gave the numbers, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, like that only up to lesson 1 to lesson 40. Fundamental trigonometry to heights and distances, 40 videos. Okay, if you want to learn the trigonometry from my videos means please subscribe and watch regularly each and every one by one, lively. If you want to watch means lively watch, then you will get the trigonometry subject, I hope. Okay, next onwards on another topic I will prepare videos on another topic. Okay, this is the last video for the trigonometric chapter. I hope everyone understood the trigonometry subject from my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and encourage my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.